Bob Barker, ending my last show, reminding you to help control the pet population. Spay or neuter your pets today. So long, everybody. Hey, Phil, have you spayed or neutered your pet today?
Nah, I'll do it tomorrow.
You really should do it today.
Whatever.
I'd say that's $30 for the hedge clippers,
Right.
$12.48 for the hair trimmer,
Right.
and $18.29 for the chloroform.
Right again, Bob.
I've never felt so alive. All those years of talking about it, and now I'm actually doing something about it. No more hairballs for you. Come on down!
The horses are at the starting gate.
And they're off!
With the help of flowers and some Barry White, we hope Django will finally impregnate Ming Li and save the species.
Yo, boss, this is crazy. We gotta watch our backs if we gonna save our sacks. You got a plan?
The mysterious castrating vigilante has struck again. In an unrelated story, the annual dog show starts today.
This dog show's a no-show.
I expect better manners from my guest, Bob.
I should have known.
That's right. And there's no way you're gonna shizzle my nizzle.
It's for the good of the pet population.
You know, Bob, I have to hand it to you.
What's that?
You're a nut.
I'm 83 years old, stupid. I've been shooting dust for years, but I wouldn't mind a replacement.
Ah! My nuts!
You're in deep trouble, friend. Balls deep. Spay or neuter your pets today.
Fuck you, Bob.